All right, Anthony, so now explain to me what it is that we're doing.
Well, this is a T-joint.
Okay.
You have to hold the electrode at a 45-degree angle with the two plates.
Okay.
So imagine it's like a triangle and it's 45 degrees.
Okay.
And then you have to turn it 10 degrees and you have to lead it.
In the direction that you're traveling.
Yes.
Stay in close. Okay, there you go. Let's stay right there. You see the difference there?
Yeah.
And then let go. You got to keep it right where you're at and keep moving across. Don't let it get too far away. Keep pushing in. Push in. Push in. Keep pushing in. Keep pushing in. Keep pushing in. Keep pushing in. Okay, pull back. Oh, didn't pull back. Okay, so if you take a look here, you can see that you've got some little droplets. You're moving too fast. You're not building that pool first, okay? So we started to build the pool, and then I let go, and you started to jump and row. Okay? All right, good job.